It's going to be a COVID-19 Christmas, so taking care of your mental health during the festive season is important. Shamala Pullen tells us more in this evening's health report.
Unfortunately, the Christmas season doesn't always end up being festive for everyone, and perhaps even more so this year. With COVID-19, consultant psychiatrist Dr. Jeffrey Walcott is expecting to see more persons suffering from depression.
In normal cycles, persons will be going through strain and distress during this period anyway. So you have persons who are alone during this time. And in normal fashion, without the pandemic, family members would reach out and try to help them. In this particular time, that's not possible. And so you have to be mindful that persons who have been dealing with this disorder throughout the year are at risk now of having exacerbation or a compilation of factors that can actually make it much, much worse.
Recognizing the symptoms early is important. Dr. Walcott explains what to look for.
Feelings of sadness that are protracted. In other words, they last for long periods, greater than 2 weeks. You have the loss of enjoyment in life, pleasurable activities. And then you have the thought symptoms, hopelessness, feelings of helplessness, guilt, the foreboding sense that things will never get better, and then the suicidal thoughts.
In addition, some persons will have sleeping problems and experience a change in appetite. Dr. Walcott gave tips on how persons can cope.
Use the video connections, you use the meeting screens, connect with others virtually in the event that we're not able to do so directly. Continue with some of your rituals and traditions, even though you will not be having large amounts of guests over, still do your decorations, still practice your particular Christmas rituals that you go through. And it's a way of reminding you of the season and helping you to regain some sense of normalcy.
Staying physically fit by exercising is also key. With your health report, I'm Shamala Pullen wishing you good health.